Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And in this video, I am delighted to have with me Ollie. He is one of the team from one of the projects that are the bpsaa, and we're going to be finding out what's happening with this project. Find the best cryptocurrency investments, check out Token Metrics, use my affiliate link for a discount. Apollo have produced the ultimate hardware wallet for your cryptocurrency assets, probably the most secure hardware wallet going. Use my affiliate link and the code for a discount. Please follow me on Twitter and join my official Telegram announcements channel. Also, please follow me on bittube.video. You can also follow me on Odyssey. These are both censorship-resistant platforms, and every now and then I am going to post a video which isn't going to be on YouTube. Hey, Ollie, thank you so much for making yourself available. You are one of the team at Signum, formerly Burstcoin, which is you're an old OG of the crypto space.
Yeah.
So do you want to say a little bit about Veruscoin and now Signum, when it first started, what it does, and then we'll go into an update.
Quickly. So Veruscoin started in 2014. It was with a unique consensus algorithm based on hard drive mining. And it was even the first one who established Turing-complete smart contracts. So this is something many people think it's Ethereum. And then it went. And 2017 was the first time I got in contact with that. It was like saying, hi, what can I do going back in time? Then I would start mining Bitcoin. And I decided for Burstcoin. Was not that success like Bitcoin, okay? But so I started and I got into it more deeply like a developer in the core team with the beginning of 2019, when I started to work together with another guy on the new wallet. It's almost 3 years ago, and we just rewrote the wallet, and and then we go further. In 2020, we saw that the focus was too much on mining and technology-wise, and the project was not really going well, to be honest. We don't have much visibility still yet, but it's better. And in 2021, we decided to make a rebranding. So in April, we rebranded Veruscoin to Signum. Mm-hmm. And the idea was not only to rebrand that, and we were just about to change the mission and the vision of the entire project, because we figured out that there's so many features on that blockchain that we start to say it's not only a coin, it's much more than that. And this is what we're trying to work on, and marketing much better. And we even founded a not-for-profit organization, like an entity, a legal entity for investors and other persons to have an official focal point to get in contact with that. Although we are still the decentralized community as we always were, and this won't change anything. Yeah.
Yes. And just to emphasize that last point, there is no organization or anything behind it. It is run by volunteers who get involved. Yeah. So if anybody's interested, I'll have all the links in the description below, and you can get involved yourself if you've got any ideas or anything you want to contribute. And Signum is a part of the bpsaa, the Blockchain Privacy, Security and Adoption Alliance, which also includes Pirate Chain and I was about to say the name of a new member. Whoops. That will soon go public.
Say it?
No, not yet. It's not public yet at the time of recording. But there are 9 projects, and another one has been accepted, another decentralized project. And they're all projects working together to promote decentralization, security, privacy, and censorship resistance on the blockchain space. Great. Okay. Now, Ollie, you've been on a couple of times before, and every now and then you come back on to let us know what's happening with Signum. I understand. Before we go on to what's happening, can you just say some of the applications? I mean, one of the ones that I'm particularly interested in is the BT Dex. What's that called now? Is that Signum Dex?
No, it's still BT Dex. So it hasn't changed. One of the things we need to invent some name for the B. I don't know exactly what B. I don't know what. I have to ask the Joss, who's the creator of that project. But this is the decentralized exchange we have also. Yeah, it turned out to be an all-in-one solution, because it even allows you to plot and mine, which is our mining process and all that. But and it's a small wallet, so it's an all-in-one solution. It's an Java application, desktop application, so it's not web capital, but it's an important piece of our ecosystem.
Very good. And Signum also has smart contract functionalities. It has a very energy efficient mining consensus. Uses teeny weeny amounts of engine. You can mine it on your computer, or I think that's still.
Yeah, I have a Raspberry Pi here, Model 4, and Raspberry Model 4 here, and it's mining there. Which is fun.
Okay. And then people can find out through the community if they want to do that. You want to get yourself a Raspberry Pi and start mining some. The coin is Signa, right?
Exactly. Signum is the platform and Signa is the coin.
Fabulous. Okay, so look, what have you got coming up?
Just a small step backward is like when we rebranded to Signum, we also evolved the consensus algorithm to something that is a mixture and a hybrid on proof of capacity, which is based on hard disk space, and the other thing that we call as like proof of stake. So you can boost your mining power if you stake. We call this commitment. So then you have you can multiply your physical capacity by holding your coins and locking this into the mining process. This is something unique also. This is an interesting piece, and it worked out very well. And now the next step is what we're doing right now is we are reverting our fee system a little bit. So there was once a hard fork a few years ago when we made kind of a slot fee system. I won't go into details to avoid spamming, but it turned out that this is like generating congestions on the chain because you have the higher you pay, the more prioritized you are and all the things. And so we're just reverting that to having our throughput like we want to have. So to be prepared for what's coming next, because we think that we will need to scale out, and this is one of our scaling strategies for that. This is one thing. Another very, very cool feature for the new hard fork is smart contracts we call them carbon contracts. Imagine the following thing. You have a contract, which is a piece of code that is already in the blockchain. And now what we're doing, especially when we are looking for things like NFTs and all that, you can just like point to that code, but the entire state of the contract is being stored normally in the blockchain. So we are making a copy of or just referencing to the code logic, which is immutable, and reusing the same code piece a few blocks ago, or I don't know what. So that way we are able even to scale out and can, for example, deploy hundreds of smart contracts in one block. And it's much cheaper because we don't have the size of the contract that needs to be feed, let's say that. And yeah, it's like cool. This is very cool. It was easy to implement from the point of Joss what he said that, because we had already made some preparations on that, because we made a better lookup on that stuff, and then he figured out that it's making a reference to the contract is like that. And this is one of the biggest things. And of course, we will use that in the upcoming application. There will be an NFT marketplace platform I'm working on right now. So ramping up that and making it entirely scalable on decentralized and distributed technologies will be cool. I think so. Probably we can go out by the end of the year. Yeah. Right. Did I miss something?
No, just on that would allow really, really fast applications to run on the platform. Am I right?
I'm not will say fast. We're still limited to the transaction speed of the blockchain. At the moment, we have a block time of 4 minutes. But what we can do actually is like we can deploy many apps in a very short time. This probably is a speed up. I don't know, because the dApps itself, they will all run on the second layer, but the main code will be on the first layer. But yeah, we are going to speed up and making everything more scalable. So we have limits due to the blockchain technology itself, but we're working on that to making it faster. Yeah. So we call the hard fork Speedway, by the way.
You have to get more done in one block, way more instructions and stuff. So perhaps greater complexity of the applications. Are there any applications that are currently being developed or that are already out, apart from BTDEX?
BTDEX itself is already the exchange, and what we have done right now is like we just added our new wrapped token on PancakeSwap. So we last week or 2 weeks ago we created 2 liquidity pools on Pancake. They are tradable, of course, on the BTDEX platform. On the other thing is there was a major upgrade for the wallet I'm working on. So there is something very new is like that I introduced multiple dashboards for different user profiles. So if there's a newcomer, he won't be overwhelmed by all the technical things. So he has just a very simplified one. There is more for miners, and others are more oriented to power users who understand a little bit more. And there will be a trading view thing, like for traders who are more interested in trading aspects of that. We improved the token support. Beside our smart contract, we have even native tokens on the chain. And this is, and I say, the main application which is coming right now, they're working on is the NFT marketplace or the NFT portal.
When is that?
This is in development. We started development on that. So architecture is done, just modeled the background.
When is that likely to launch?
We try to launch it still this year. So there will be an alpha beta phase somehow, making kind of MVP. I think in the end, probably by Christmas.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. Everybody's into NFTs. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Now, you got anything else about the hard fork?
No, there's just like small adjustments for the commitment stuff, just like making some calculations more stable and improving a little bit security to avoid that people can do something with GPUs, powerhouses, or something like that. And it just doesn't matter. It's not really important on that. It's important, yes, but it's not something that's like very relevant for applications. It's just like improving or making it more stable in terms of oscillation of values like calculations. But this is too technical to go into.
Okay. Yeah. And if somebody holds Signa, is there anything they need to do with regards to the hard fork?
No, nothing. So all exchanges are informed. They will do that. There is nothing changed. It's like we always try to make it as seamless as possible for the users. So the only thing is that node operators has to update, but we already got this. We do this. We have kind of experience right now making hard forks, and the community is extremely open and very fast in adopting new technology. So we're discussing this most times, what we can do and how we can improve that together with the community. And I have to look what the stats right now, but I think 60% are already on the most on the most updated version. So for normal users, nothing changes. The most important thing for us is like the core team. We need to get in contact with the exchanges and enforcing and reminder that they have to update the node software they're running there. Yeah.
Okay.
But that's okay. We have, I can say that we have still central exchanges to be listed, but we figured out the larger the exchanges are, the more time it takes that we get listed there, even if the process is going. I cannot say details about that. Everybody's asking about, but we prefer going more and more to the DEX way instead of the SEX way. But this is the OKEX way, so it doesn't matter. So yeah.
Yep. Yeah, with the DEXs, they don't charge the ridiculous fees that the large exchanges charge.
Plus, main issue is the KYC thing. Right. People don't want to have that.
Yeah. So if anybody wants to get any Signal, well, they can do that by using their BNB or some other PancakeSwap token to exchange for Signal.
Yeah. We have, and you can change it back in the BTDEX. So the BTDEX has support for that to change that, or you hold only just the wrapped Signal, whatever you want. So with the Pancake swap thing, we get a little bit more out and have a little bit more a better reach that people can do that, and even they can, for example, add liquidity to the LPs and having some passive income if they want to. So yeah,
very cool, very cool. Okay, anything else you want to let us know that's coming up, Wally?
It's just, I'm very excited to having next year coming. This is because many things will change. We will have much bigger support, and in this post-pandemic situation, that makes us makes for example, and more flexible for me, for example, to attend physically some events. I want to, if it's possible, I want to travel around. For example, I would like to see all the pirate chain guys like Draft and all the people. I want to see you going over there to Europe also. Let's see if that turns, if there will be something cool. That would be so hard. I really can't. I'm so excited to see all
that would be very, very good.
I mean, 2 years. I'm more and more working home office right now, and I'm sick of it. I don't want to do it anymore.
No, I get it. Yeah. I'm fortunate in that, was it in the beginning of January? So after about 9 months being indoors, working from home and doing stuff, I started went back into social work. Oh yes, I get to go out.
Yeah,
I get to go out. I get to see people. I get to ride my bicycle on a regular basis. All right, so I do get it. And yes, one day you and I, we will meet. And I look forward to it, and we'll have a good curry.
It will be very cool. Yeah. And beside that, I think that 2022 will be awesome technology-wise for Signum. We have many things planned and what we want to do, and there are more marketing things more active with the help of the non-for-profit organization, the SNA, Signum Network Association. So there will be very interesting things coming up. I'm pretty sure about that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, I'm intrigued, and I look forward to finding out how it goes and how this project grows. And for anybody watching, please do go check this out. Go join the Telegram group or the Discord group. Do your own due diligence. This project has been around for a while. It has staying power, and it will be around for a while because people just love it, and it has great tech, and they'll keep building it. Also, look out for Signum, I'm organizing something special with the bpsaa project, so watch out for that. So please do subscribe. Ollie, thank you so much. And everybody who's watching, please give me any ticker symbols whatsoever. All those ticker symbols, they count as comments and support me in fighting the YouTube algorithm. Come over to the other platforms, the censorship-resistant platforms where I broadcast and support my work there, and join my official Telegram announcements channel. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich and Crypto Ollie signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.
Bye.